Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter which is called resemblance. Resemblance means similarities, means something is similar, means likely, like to each other or analogy. Okay, so what is the similarity? We get some characteristics from our parents. Sometime someone says that you noticed you are looking just like your parent. Someone says that your nose is just like your mother, or your voice is just like your father, your hair is just like your uncle, or you are just like your eyes are just like your grandfather. Why they say this? You noticed it? Why this happened? These all are happened. It could be your shape of your nose, the color of your eyes, or your complexion, or any striking similarities. Then anyone, lead even a stranger, can easily identify that you are the child of your parent. You are the child of your parent. Then you even think about this, why this happened, why we are look like just our parent, just like our parents. This is the similarities which we carry from our parents. The similarities which we carry from our parent, or not from only parent, or other relatives. This phenomena is called resemblance. This phenomena is called resemblance. Resemblance is not only in the physical appearance. This is also in our daily habits. The habits which our parents have, it also come in us. Like many things, like in our daily life or in our profession. If our parents are doctor, then if we also interested in making doctor, or if our parents are musician, then we are also interested in music. Why this happen? Due to transfer of genes. They did this transfer of genes. You read about genes in further classes, upper classes. These genes are transferred from one generation to another generation, and as it transfer from one generation to another generation, it gene carry the traits. Traits mean characteristics. These traits transfer from one generation to another generation. So the similarities, the resemblance also transfer from one generation to another generation. So we look like our parents or our relative due to this transfer of gene. This is a genetic characteristic. Genetic influences, or you may say, okay, due to genetic influences, transfer of gene, the characteristic or traits also transfer from one generation to another generation. So we look like or resemble like our parent or our relative. Understood? One interesting fact is that it is not only our parents but also our grandparents or other relative. Our other relatives also inherited or gives us their characteristics to us, mean traits to us. Many times we are very similar to our distant relatives. It is possible that when an uncle who is a good photographer passes on his skill to his nephew, or an aunt is good at cooking, help a nice learn it too. We can say that our parents and other relatives helps us a lot in making our potential, our formative years. We should acknowledge their contribution and stay indebted to them. Now we see what is twins. Twins are the babies who born at same time or some small interval of time from same mother. Their most of the characteristics are similar. Okay, most of their characteristics are same because they born at same time and from same womb, same time, same mother and same womb. Okay, these babies are called twins. Their characteristics and appearance is mostly same. There are similarities, there are dissimilarities also. Quite often we differ from our parents, sibling and relatives. Dissimilarities means differ from our parent, relative or siblings. If we are similar to our parent, sibling or relative, we are also dissimilar in many traits from our parent, relative and sibling. our body, our senses, our likes, our dislikes keep varying. Okay, our body, our senses, our likes, our dislikes varies from one person to another. Because why this happened? Because we have some own values which make us different from other. What are these values? First is your originalities. Each person have its own originalities. Individuality. Everyone is individual in world. Okay, no one is similar to him. Some traits are similar, but overall everyone is individual in the whole world. And third is your uniqueness. Everyone in the world is unique. No one is just as similar as another. Okay, everyone have some unique characteristic which make them unique from other, different from other. Okay, these are some values which make a person different from other. Possible that two sisters have some similar characteristics, but it is not possible that every characteristic is similar. They are differ in their skin tone, same structure, but different features. The physical similarities and dissimilarities between two individuals, the physical similarities and depend upon some factors. These are some determinants. Okay student, now in the next video we see some determinants, okay, which makes us different from other. Okay student, goodbye, take care. If you like my video, then press the like button, and if you like it and like the way of my teaching, then subscribe by pressing bell icon. Goodbye.